Hi, I'm Ilya from Bitskout, and in this video I wanted to show you how we can process IRS tax forms, and in this case I want to show an example of 1065 form. So forms like 1065 contain lots of parameters inside, lots of schedules and lots of complications, and we've built an application that you can use either on your premises or in your application or in any automations like Power Automate or n8n or Zapier or Make to extract data automatically. Now, in this case, I will run this test form, which is you can download from IRS website. And as you can see, it contains lots of schedules, lots of things inside. And what will happen is our system will split the whole form into separate schedules and extract data from each schedule and the form inside. Okay, to do that, I'm going to be using n8n, which is just an automation tool. You can use Power Automate to achieve the same thing. So here what will happen is I will get the file. So in this case I will take only 1065 file. Alright, I don't want to run for all the forms. You can check our previous videos for other forms. Then I will download the file and I will send it to our Azure application. And it's important that you need to pass the Azure application the webhook where you will be processing this form. And webhook means a second scenario that will be doing that. If you are a developer, you probably know what it is. If you are not a developer, webhooks are how many applications talk to each other. It's pretty simple to set up in Zapier, Make, or anywhere. You probably heard it multiple times. If you need help, just let me know and I'll help you set it up. So let's send the file and receive it in our another processing scenario. So let me do that. Okay. So all went well. And now what we need to do is we need to wait in a second scenario, which is this webhook that I specified in the previous one, and just upload the file. In this case, I'm using a simple file upload to a folder, but obviously you can set up next steps like putting data into Google Sheet, other application, your application generated a different file like XML file for SAP or something like that. For simplicity, I'm just gonna store the files in this folder and that's it. So let's wait when the processing starts and you will see files popping up here. So here we have our few files coming in, and it was schedule K, schedule P2. Also, as you can see, we have recognized a form inside 4797 and extracted data from it. The way the data looks like is just extracted information with the values that you can use later on. But also we split them into separate PDFs, okay, that you can store separately, and this is how it will process any form. And even if there are 1000 pages, it will still extract the data from 1000 pages, including schedule K1s like this, or any other format of schedule K1 will be also extracted. And we already tested this on 5000 pages return, which unfortunately I cannot show you because this is private information. And if you are looking forward to simplify and to improve your processes by adding more automation, save thousands of hours of your tax professionals or your team, just let us know and we'll be happy to integrate this. We have on-prem options and cloud options. Depending on your setup, we can help you set it up for you as well. Including if you don't have any development team, we can set it up in Power Automate that will be easily manageable. All right, thanks a lot for your time.